Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Sharon Ravenberg and I'm finally back with another video. It's been a good month that I have posted on my channel, but I'm back and I'm back with this beautiful look. It's like a fall inspired look, and I also used the P.louise base for the first time doing my eyeshadow. I recently purchased it and I wanted to see how it works, so that's what you're gonna see today in the video. I also have this beautiful hair by Milutu. It's a Surinamese black owned brand and they do hair accessories and all that stuff, so do check them out on Instagram and Facebook. I will leave their information down below, but I'm feeling this hair. It is black, like 1B, I think. Yeah, black is 1B. Anyway, it's like black, but it's still blended beautifully with my hair. So I have nothing to complain, guys. If you're interested in seeing how I brought this look together, then definitely keep on watching. Until next time, bye. Like I already mentioned in my intro, I'm gonna do a fall inspired look, and this is my first time using the P.louise base, and I have mine in Rumour 2, so I'm gonna see what it's all about and how I like it. So let's get into this tutorial. For this look, I'm gonna use my Morphe 35M palette, and yeah, I'm gonna focus on the greens right here, maybe a little bit of brown. So yeah, let's see what we come up with. I'm gonna prime my eyes and I'll be right back. With my Morphe M506 brush, and I'm going into this brown shade right here, mixing it with a little bit of this one right here. Gonna do the other eye. Now I'm just sweeping on the edges just so the line is not harsh, and when I apply the second shade it can blend effortless into the first shade. So now I'm going into these two shades right here, and I'm gonna mix them both and apply that as my transition shade. Now I'm going back into the two dark shades I first used, and I'm gonna blend them into the green shade. Now I'm just using the lightest green shade, and I'm gonna blend out the edges of the two light greens I just mixed. So now I feel like the crease is blended very well, and now I'm going over to my lid shade. To apply my lid shade, I'm going back into my P.louise base. For my lid shade, I'm going into this orange right here, and I'm gonna apply that all over the lid. Now that I have applied my lid shade, I'm just going back into shades I used on my crease just to redefine the crease a little bit more and get it more blended, you know? So that's what we're gonna do. So I do think I want to add a wing on it, so I'm going in with my e.l.f. liquid liner and I'm gonna use it to create my wing. I already did my wing and now I'm going to apply my lashes. For lashes today, I'm gonna use my QueenglamzzSuriname lashes in the style Insta Bhadie. So I'll apply my lashes and I will be right back. Before I apply my lashes, I'm going in with a little bit of mascara and I'm using my Colorpop BFF mascara. Ooh, lashes are on, and I do want to say something. The P.louise base is like, for me, it's just a concealer, but it does let the shades stick better, I feel. But it maybe I need to try like bright colors with it, like very bright colors, because this look isn't that bright. So maybe I will do a neon eye look with it just to see how it performs with those kind of colors. But first, so far it's good. I like it. I'm not wowed by it yet, but maybe I need to try it a little bit more and use it a little bit more often. We're done with the eyes for now, and now we're going to the base. For my primer, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. poreless putty primer. Now I'm just gonna set my face with my Sacha buttercup powder, and then we're going to apply our foundation. For foundation today, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Flawless Finish foundation, and I have mine in the shade Cocoa. Now to highlight, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer, and I'm using those in the shades Deep Olive and Deep Cinnamon. Just like this. And now I'm gonna blend it out, because now I have applied my concealer, or I have highlighted. I'm just going to blend the edges between my concealer and my foundation, so there won't be any harsh lines. Still blending the under eye a little bit more. just so it doesn't have any creases. Now I'm gonna contour a little bit, and to contour I'm gonna use my Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C16, and I'm gonna apply it to carve my cheekbones, just on here and here. So now I have applied my contour. I'm going back into blending, sis. Blending is key. You have to blend everything together, don't forget. So that's what I'm doing right now, and I'm doing it with the sponge. The best thing is to do it with the tool you used for your foundation, because most of the times that's what has like your correct shade and stuff. So it's much easier to just blend everything together, sis. And now to set my under eyes and all the highlighted areas, I'm gonna use my Sacha Buttercup and my Juvias Place powder. My Juvias Place powder is in the shade Namib, and this is not the shade I was going for, but I ordered the wrong shade, so I'm still using it, but then in concoction with my Sacha Buttercup. And to set the rest of the face, I'm gonna use my Smashbox powder foundation, and this one is in the shade number 8, and I'm gonna dust that all over my face just like this, and as well as wiping off the excess powder of the highlighted areas. Now that the face is set, I'm gonna my bronzer, my blush, my bronzer and my blush. And to do so, I'm gonna use my Juvias Place Sharan Blush Palette Volume 1, and I'm gonna use this. For bronzer, I used this shade, and for blush, I'm gonna use this shade right here. That's cute. So for my under eye, I'm going first with a black pencil, eye pencil, and I'm gonna tight line my under eye, my bottom lash line. My bottom lash line, okay? I'm gonna tight line it, and so I already tight lined my under eye, and now I'm going in with these two darkest shades first, and then with the lightest green. Now to set my face, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. makeup mist and set, and I'm gonna spritz that all over the face just to set the makeup and bring everything together, you know? Yeah, now we're good. And now I'm gonna highlight, and to highlight I'm gonna use the same Juvias Place palette. I'm gonna use these two shades right here, just mixing them together and apply those as my highlight. almost forgot recording. For my lips, I'm going in with 3 lip products. First one is my BFF4 liner from Colorpop. The second one is my ABH liquid lipstick in the shade Maude, and this is a random liquid lipstick from Primark. I don't even see the shade anymore, but it's a beautiful one, so I'm gonna use those. First, I'm gonna line my lips. Now I'm going in with this one, and now with this. So I'll be right back, guys. Right back.